So this is how you make a quiz using Google Forms. So your first step, you're going to click. First up, you're really going to go to Google Forms, and then at the bottom right-hand corner, you'll click this button to create a new Google Forms. And then with your mouse, you're going to select the text and the form title there. And you're going to type the title of your quiz. I named mine 7.1 Review Quiz. Then you're going to click up there, and what that does is just copies your title. And now you're going to first create two open-ended questions just for people to type in their last and first name. So first one, you'll do last name. You'll type it there. It might automatically check that it's a short answer. If not, you can click here to make sure it's a short answer. And then you're going to click on required. And then you're going to click this button, which is adding a new question. And then now you're going to do the first name there. So that's where students will write their first name. Then you'll click required. And now we're going to go to settings. You're going to click on settings. This will allow us to turn it into quiz mode. Then all you have to do is click that button right there to make that a quiz. And now you click on questions, and we're going to start making our multiple choice questions. You'll click the add question again, and then you'll type in your first question. And then you're going to do your answer choices. Remember, only one needs to be correct. You're going to type in your other answer choice, your third answer choice, and then your last answer choice. Also, make sure this is in multiple choice. It'll probably automatically recognize that it's multiple choice based off of your question. But if it doesn't, click that drop-down menu to make sure it's clicked on multiple choice. Then you're going to click required. And you're going to click on the answer key. This is where we're going to choose the correct answer and make sure we have the correct point value for the question.
Scroll up and double-click points.
So you're going to click here and make sure the points are set depending on how many questions you have. So if you're doing a quiz that's just 5 questions, then you're going to make each answer choice 20 points. But if you're making a 10-question quiz, then each question needs to be 10 points. We want it to be out of 100 points. So easiest way to do it is just to make it 5 or 10 questions. And then you're going to choose whichever one's the correct answer. And then you'll press done. And now you're going to add your next question. And you'll just continue and repeat these steps until you've completed all your questions. Again, you're going to type in your question. Make sure it's multiple choice. This is just showing you. Make sure it's multiple choice. And then type in your answer choice. Remember, only one needs to be correct. Type in all your answer choices. Make sure it's required. You're going to press the answer key button again to set your points, whatever you did it last time. If it was 10 points, make sure this is 10 points. If it was 20 points, then make sure all your questions are 20 points. You're going to choose whichever one's the correct answer, and then you're going to press done. Now, when you've made all your questions, whether they're 5 or 10 questions, then you're going to go to the top and click send. This is where you're going to get your link. You're going to click that little button there in the middle to get your link, and then you'll click copy, and now you're done. So you can share your link with a friend and see how they do on your quiz.